After months of silence, Jennifer Lopez has finally made her move, and insiders say she's determined to win back the one man she believes was always meant for her, Ben Affleck. What happened next shocked even those closest to them. When news broke that Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck had finalized their divorce in 2024, many people believed that this was the official end of Bennifer. Their marriage had lasted a little over 2 years, and the separation seemed clean and final. But recently, a new wave of reports has suggested that the story between the two may not be finished at all. In fact, insiders now claim that Jennifer Lopez has a real plan to win her ex-husband back, and she is more serious about it than ever. Before, the fresh speculation began after Lopez and Affleck were spotted together at a high-profile red carpet event in New York. The occasion was the promotion of Lopez's upcoming film, Kiss of the Spider-Woman. What made the appearance more interesting is that Ben Affleck is one of the producers of the movie, which means the two had a legitimate reason to be seen together publicly. Still, the way they interacted, smiling, talking closely, and seeming completely comfortable, immediately caught everyone's attention. Eyewitnesses at the event were quick to notice that the chemistry between them did not look forced. It looked familiar, even warm. People who have followed their relationship for years commented online that the two looked like they had stepped right back into their old rhythm. This is where the rumors began to grow. A source speaking to entertainment outlet RadarOnline.com explained that Lopez was overjoyed spending time with Affleck again. According to this insider, Lopez thinks Affleck looks better than ever and still has that same charm that made her fall in love with him in the first place. The source said Lopez believes that she and Affleck are meant to be together and that it's only a matter of when, not if, it happens. This claim has fueled a lot of talk because Lopez has never been someone who hides her feelings. Throughout her long career, she has been open about love, relationships, heartbreak, and reconciliation. People close to her say she is emotional, passionate, and deeply committed when she believes a relationship is the right one. So when insiders say she hasn't given up on Affleck, many fans believe it. Reports also suggest that since the divorce, Lopez has tried dating again, meeting new people, and exploring the idea of starting fresh. However, according to those who know her, none of those men have been able to match what she felt with Affleck. One source even said Lopez could not shake the belief that Affleck is the love of her life. This might explain why she is now focusing on rebuilding a connection with him instead of moving on with someone new. During the promotions for the movie, Affleck also made a public comment about Lopez that added more fuel to the story. When asked about working with her, he said, "She's fabulous." Although that shouldn't surprise anyone. It was a short sentence, but it immediately sparked discussion online because of how natural and positive it sounded coming from him. Many people took it as a sign that he still holds deep respect and admiration for Lopez, even though Affleck is known for being more reserved and careful when talking about his personal life. His comment did not sound guarded or distant. Fans noticed that he spoke in a warm, familiar tone, and this made the speculation grow even stronger. But there is another side to all of this. Friends of Affleck have reportedly expressed concern. They remember how unstable and stressful the relationship between Affleck and Lopez became at times. Their original breakup in the early 2000s, just days before their wedding, was heavily covered by the media. When they reunited in 2021 and married in 2022, many supporters hoped that the two had matured and learned from their past. But even then, the pressures of fame, demanding careers, and very different lifestyles seemed to create cracks between them again. Their 2024 divorce was the result of those long-standing issues. Because of this, some of Affleck's friends worry that getting back together could bring the same problems. But at the same time, they also admit that Affleck has always been drawn to Lopez. The insider reports that Affleck still finds her incredibly attractive and interesting. One person familiar with the situation said the fact that Lopez is trying to win him back is definitely boosting his confidence. Because Affleck has always cared about her opinion, although these insiders give a peek into what might be happening behind the scenes. It is important to note that neither Lopez nor Affleck has officially confirmed that they are restarting their relationship. Both continue to keep their public comments very controlled, focusing mostly on their careers, children, and professional commitments. Still, their latest public appearance together has given fans something new to talk about, and the possibility of a Bennifer 3.0 has now become a real topic of conversation. Those who have followed their journey over the last 2 decades know that their relationship has always been intense. Their first romance became one of the biggest celebrity stories of the early 2000s. Their breakup was heartbreaking for fans. Their reunion nearly 20 years later shocked the world. And now, after their divorce, many people are watching closely to see if they will somehow find their way back to each other again. As of now, the only clear thing is that Lopez has not fully closed the door on Affleck. She appears hopeful, determined, and emotionally invested in the possibility of rebuilding their relationship. Affleck, meanwhile, seems comfortable around her and has not shown any public signs of wanting to distance himself. Whether this will lead to a genuine reconciliation or simply remain friendly cooperation for professional reasons is something only time will reveal. For now, their story continues to unfold in the public eye, with fans watching every detail. And with both Lopez and Affleck staying silent on the rumors, the mystery only grows stronger. What happens next could surprise everyone once again.